Spacing here. Jeez. Hello everyone, a little bit of a nuts and bolts today. Let's change this shock absorber, rear shock absorber on a Corsa D. Don't know what year is it, 2009. I've done front brakes, brake pads and discs, and the owner said that there was a knocking at the rear. A quick look at the rear just to verify if I could see anything out of place, if you like. And this shock absorber, I believe, is totally gone now. All the oil leaked out. I went for a drive. I could confirm that there was a knocking at the rear, and it was this side as well. So we changed the shock absorber, and also, you know, yeah, look if we can see anything else wrong with it, but it sounds like, you know, like when the spring is just bouncing. So I believe the shock absorber is not dampening anything. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see all the oil evidence. So I believe it's been doing this for a while. It's pretty much gone now. Right, I'm just gonna support the frame here, lift it up a little bit. Probably gonna have to remove the liner as well. Yeah, because the bolts are hidden underneath, I believe. Let me quickly just remove this liner. Pretty easy, just whatever fixings you can see. There'll be quite a few all over the place. Let me remove that. Support this this arm here, and it should be pretty straightforward, really. It's time to get mud on our face. Go. A bit crusty, let's give it a clean. A little bit of your favorite juice. Right, so I think this is a 19, might be 18 actually. Yeah, 18. Let's get some of this impacts e-sockets. it's not a nut. What was a nut there? Right, so that's part of the suspension. I thought it was a nut. Oh yeah, there's nothing here. Nothing left, knackered. I believe these two are E16. Just clean it out a little bit. It's a little bit crusty. Right. Right, one shock absorber out. Right, let's see if this impact gun will do it, or we're gonna have to use something else. No, we don't. Beautiful. I just swap everything over. I haven't got another, bumper stop and this gator here. I did offer to the customer, but he doesn't want to spend much money on this car, so we got a really cheap shock absorber, and everything else is going to go back in. Get the other one. All right, so we have a Unskla. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but it should be a shock absorber that fits this car. Hopefully. There he goes. Alright, so I think we're going to have to order a new one. This one is different. We're going to have a look online to see what the Euro Car Parts says. Alright, so I just had a chat with the guys at Euro Car Parts. So as you can see there, that's the one that I got. 211. It matches up with the part and everything else, but you can see the bottom eye there. You got that bushing around. And this 181 is pretty much what I have, but they said it's being superseded. So go ahead and fit it, I guess. So you can see, like, 635, 581, 211. And it's pretty much what I've got in the box. And well, the box here. 635, 581, 211. It's the same thing written on the part, so 635, 581, 211. So maybe he's right. Right, top mount. Is this not the same size? Yeah. Gonna have to have a Allen key for that. So you're 5. Yeah, 5.5. Nope. So it's going to be a 5. And look at the torque spec for this. Right, 45 Newton meters. Right, it's 55 Newton meters for this stock bolt. Right, 90 Newton meters for this guy. that's 90, all done. Right, job done. Pretty easy job. All torqued up, all the line is all back in. I'm just going to put the wheel back in now and go for a test drive. Yeah, it's definitely not making the noise before. Again, can't speak today. It's definitely not making the noise anymore. Driving the same route that I drove earlier. Ondulation on this bit here, I would have some noise there definitely. So it's definitely cured. Happy with it. Park the car here. Right, job done. Going home. I'm happy with it, with the results. No noise from the back. I left the microphone, pointed the microphone to the back like I did in the beginning. Yeah, no noises. So yeah, as we knew, the shock absorber is pretty knackered. Pretty easy job, to be fair. Nice to record nuts and bolts. I haven't recorded one of them for a long time, but I'll start making some more videos like that. And thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.